Ingredients: 5 large egg whites, 3 large egg yolks, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, half salt to taste, pepper to taste, fresh chive chopped for garnish. Procedure: separate the egg whites and the egg yolks in 2 separate bowls. You'll only need 3 yolks, so discard the other 2 or reserve for another use. Whisk the egg yolks until they become homogeneous and pale in color. Set aside. Transfer the egg whites to a large bowl and whisk until they triple in size and become white with medium peaks. Carefully fold the egg yolks into the egg whites until fully incorporated. Pour the egg mixture into a medium non-stick frying pan with a lid. Cook over medium-low heat until bottom of omelette has set, about 5 minutes. Lift up each side of the omelette and drop a tablespoon of butter underneath. Cover the pan and cook for another 5 minutes, or until the top of the omelette has set. Remove the lid and season the omelette with salt and pepper. Remove the pan from the heat. Fold the omelettes onto a plate and sprinkle with chives. Enjoy! Give this video a like, share and subscribe our channel and turn on our post notification.